Hey guys, this is Team 4 for A6 with our our third game. Actually, the first on the list, but it's the third game that we created. We are building as a Space Invaders, and I'll just start off by loading a previously made base frame with some details. So I have all my aliens set up. That shows that we have the save and load functionality. Now I'll be implementing layers, and I'm going to be putting in a background for my game. I'll be selecting a new layer for the background so that it's behind. So there you go. I have all the layers. So now I have two layers. One layer with all the game objects and the other the background. Sorry. I may. I'll just add the spaceship to the same layer as the other aliens on the screen. So there you go. The aliens are coming up, and okay, there's my spaceship. Yeah, I'll just select the same layer and double click on it so that I can get an object onto the screen. You can resize it using the mouse scroll button and drag and drop it on any part of the screen that you want it to be. Uh, so for the spaceship, we can add a firing function so that it can fire an object. Oops, not control motion. Yeah, fire. You can set the speed of the bullet, and you can choose any of the images to be a bullet. Uh, there you go. We have also implemented the resize, which works fine, and you can put in any button. So I've just now put space, uh, and I'll just test the firing. There, it's firing. Yes. So now I'll just go ahead and put in more functionality and characteristics. So maybe yeah, I'll just add aliens. Yeah, for the aliens, they should disappear as and when they collide with the bullets. So I'll just go ahead and say collision against and remove when it collides with the bullet. The bullet's object's name is fire name, which is a generic name we have given. Uh, so I can just go ahead and do that for all the four aliens. Oops, yeah, the fourth one as well. There you go. After I put in the logic for that, I'll also put in the logic for the game losing condition for one of the aliens. So it can be put for all of them. I'll just go ahead and do it for one. So if it collides with the wall of the game, your game should say you lost the game. And yeah, I should also be putting an input for moving the spaceship. It cannot stay constant at one place. So I'll just put so to put a controlled input, I can give the XP 10, and I'll just say that I want to move it right. So that's XP 10, and I just move it right and say an input controlled move. Similarly, you can add in is the left and the right and so on. So you go ahead. Yeah, there you go. So yes, and now if you see, I've started the game, and oops, oh, that's just an error because yeah, there's a small bug in the program. There's like when you're firing and you click on two buttons at the same time, there's a small little issue that crops up. Yeah, but you can always restart the game so that it comes back to the normal state, and there you have it. Now there you lost the game because one of the aliens has finally reached the earth. Adios. Take care.